How to shut down PC or laptop safely. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you shut down your PC or laptop safely. So let's get started. On this video, I will guide you through the two simple steps to shut down your PC safely. So on the first one, we will use a shortcut key like Alt plus F4. So simply you have to press the shortcut key Alt plus F4. Alright, so from here you will get a such interface. So from here you'll have to just choose the shutdown, and after you choose the shutdown you'll have to just click on OK. Or if you not find this option by using Alt plus F4, you'll have to just use the shortcut key like function Alt plus F4, and after you use the function Alt plus F4 you'll be able to see such interface, and from there you'll have to just again choose the shutdown, and from here tap on OK. And there is also another method to shut down your PC or laptop from the taskbar. So for that, you'll have to just click on the Windows icon just at the bottom of your taskbar. So simply click on this Windows icon. Alright, so from here, you'll have to just tap on the power option just at the bottom right. So simply from here, click on power. Alright, so from here, you'll have to just choose the option shutdown, and after you click on shutdown, you will be easily able to shut down your PC or laptop safely. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.